reason I still squeezing up through this forever there is more than ever will be. That's the real reason I still squeezing up through these bars with so much vitriol. These voices coming at you, supersonic.